add emoji to your Canva to make it more fun, but trying to figure out where is the emoji, where should I go, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji to your Canva. It's very simple, so let's dive right in without any further ado. So we can simply go to the elements and simply type in emoji, which I've already done that. So let's type in emoji for a quick one, and let's type in use app, and there you go. You can see so many emojis. Let's use this one, or even this one over here, and this the money one. Yeah, we can add just the sizes, and yeah. So yeah, this is how you add emoji to your Canva. You can choose any of the emoji you like. There are hundreds of emoji like the one you have in your phone, and yeah, let's go. Let's make it more fun. There's a food emoji as well. So yeah, this is how you add emoji to your Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.